Hey, welcome back to yet another episode of the Corporate Gift Show, where we share a new, interesting, innovative corporate gifting idea every single day. I'm Srikanth Acharya, CEO at OffiNeeds.com, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can organize your toiletries when you are traveling. This is the toiletry kit from Swiss Military. So let me show you what's in it. When you open it up, it's got plenty of compartments to carry all the things that you need, from your shaving brush to shaving blades to your foam, and plenty of pockets to keep your toothbrush, toothpaste, and even women's toiletries, perfumes, deodorants, soaps, moisturizers, shampoo, just about anything that you can think of. There are zips here, there are zips here, there are pockets here, there's plenty of space here, and more space on both of these sides if you want to carry any larger things like your toothpaste or your your hairbrush, just about anything. Almost everything that you are going to need to get yourself ready will all come in this box. Now what's interesting is it's got a hook here, so you can put this and you can hang this on the door of the bathroom of the hotel that you are at. So you don't have to take everything out, put it on a desk, and then worry about where each of these little things are when you're packing them back all together. So they're sitting right here, and once you're done, when you're ready to pack, just fold this bag in and all your toiletries go back with you without having to worry if you forgot something in the hotel. Looks beautiful, comes in great quality, and a really handy product if you're traveling. And right here there is just the right amount of space for you to customize with your logo, making it a fantastic gift to give to those people who are likely to travel domestic or international. What do you think about this corporate gift idea? Yeah, I hope you liked today's episode. Please like, share and comment below and let us know what you think about it. Please visit www.thecorporategiftshow.com and follow OffiNeeds on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube for a new interesting corporate gifting idea every single day. See you in tomorrow's episode.